front door right there, the front door. We have a sliding glass door mirror right here. Come into the bathroom. There we go. We do have like a little place for you to put your toiletries and stuff there. That's cool. You don't see that very often. You can keep your stuff there open. Kind of got the marble-ish floor. Well, this is some artwork, I guess. Shredded. Bathroom shower is cool. Walk in. Got the black and white. Some hooks right there. Then we have an open concept closet. Steamer up there. And then we don't have to turn too much to be able to see the room. Right here, nice cool bar cart with a Nespresso machine. Kind of have some brass trim. You got a cool desk right there. Personalized TV synced up to who's in here. Nice little extra chairs. Got those bright lights. Nice baseboard, like all the way up here. Got a wooden drawer right there. One there. And then these lights are super cool. It's like a old-fashioned microphone. And then this thing, when all these lights are off, it's kind of trippy. Got the red thing going on right there. I'll try to turn the other light off. But it makes it the mood like that. This elevator tripped me out for a second. The color contrasting and stepping in just really messed with my eyes. But this lobby is really cool. I'm not sure how to call it. Is it chic? Is it aristocratic? Is it kind of like a swingy old time vibe? Definitely elevated for sure. A cool place to hang out. Really good design down here. I see you, Canopy.